Hi guys, my name's Mike and this is my video for making homemade jam that we make here in the UK from our own green figs. If you want to pause the video to take notes and the recipe, the quantities, then feel free to do so. We grow our own figs here in the UK on the tree, and every year about August, September we get lovely ripe figs, and we get so many we don't know what to do with them. So we make jam and we wash them, give them a good wash in a bowl, and then we'll cut the tops off and strain them just to get any excess water out. Then what we'll do is we'll prepare them ready for boiling. We boil them for 10 minutes in a saucepan of boiling water, obviously, and then we'll let them drain out afterwards once they're boiled. Only needs 10 minutes. What we will do is we'll actually drain the figs once they're cooked and put them in a bowl or a colander to let them strain out, and we'll cover them with the kilo of sugar, the lemon juice, there's lemon zest, and then some allspice if you want to. You don't have to. And then cover them with a cloth and then leave them overnight. And what that will do, this will actually produce some syrup which you can use later on, as you'll see, as syrup of figs. So here's the next morning. You can see what they're like. Produce a lot of syrup. So then you need to put them in a saucepan and boil them. Cook them for about 35-40 minutes. What you can do is to test them, is to take a spoonful out, put it in the fridge and see if it goes a little bit solid. And what also the best thing to do is to mash them down a little bit if you haven't, or you could finely chop them before you put them in the saucepan to cook. It's up to you. But then you've got to wash the jars, put them in a hot oven, wash the lids with boiling water. That's what I do, let them drain naturally, and then start filling your jars. And if you don't want to boil the jars to seal them, once you've got them in the hot jars, you turn them upside down and leave them overnight to cool. And the way to test them is, if the lid doesn't press down, then your jars are sealed. And that's it. That's a very basic recipe, very simple. Just enjoy it. It is lovely on toast and porridge. And yeah, so here's the syrup of figs as well that we made from the juice. And well, there you go. Thanks for watching.